So, what 7 investments do the wealthy avoid? Number 4. The wealthy avoid certificates of deposit. Certificates of deposit are not a popular investment among the rich. Essentially, they offer you a fixed interest rate, but with one major downside: they take away access to your cash. CDs have the same disadvantages as bonds. They don't offer very stable returns. That is, you will struggle to beat inflation by investing in them. CDs typically carry shorter terms than bonds, and as a result, you could get a similar return without having access to your funds for an extended period of time. This is decidedly less risky. Certificates of deposit aren't the best investment for those looking for higher returns. The wealthy want to build their wealth quicker, so they rely on other investments for that, which is why CDs are not the preferred choice of wealthy people. So just like vinyl did, CDs have gone out of style. It might be time to have a look at Spotify. In the next video, I cover a popular investment type that the wealthy avoid, that the average person incorrectly often thinks is a smart thing. You don't want to miss that. So keep accelerating your financial journey and watch this video. I'll see you over there.